Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 24th, and I'm going to be analyzing the DXY and the US dollar index starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the DXY monthly, I still think there's a very good likelihood this is the end of a correction right here. If it is the end of a correction, then this will end up continuing the downtrend, making lower lows, lower highs, probably eventually going all the way down and taking out this low, because that's what happens at the end of an ABC correction if it really is an ABC. Now we are on the monthly time frame, so this is probably going to take maybe more than a year to play out. So let's head down to the weekly time frame and go back to the dollar index. On the dollar index is where you can actually start to see the lower lows, lower highs, which I think is a wave 1, but I do have that there just in case it is a wave A. I think this is going up to make an ABC, most likely an ABC of 2, but could be a wave B, and then it should end up going down to make a wave 3, especially if this right here really is the end of an ABC correction. So let's keep on going down while keeping all that in mind to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, it looks like a nice uptrend, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I think this is a downtrend right here, also an A. I think this is 3 waves up for the B, and this is a downtrend for the C. That means that this move up right here is probably a wave C. Now at some point we're probably going to have to make a 1 and a 2 of C, so at some point we probably are going to have a bigger pullback, probably eventually end up looking something like this to make that 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave C. So let's keep going down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, as of now, we are definitely still trending up. Our last swing level is way down here, so there's no reason yet to think that this trend really is over. It does have that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shape, which does make you think that maybe we are getting closer to ending a wave 1. If that's the case, then it's probably going to go down, make like an ABC of 2, and then go back up and make a wave 3. We don't have any guarantees that this is going to happen now. It very easily could just keep on drifting up, but it is something to keep in mind that we probably are due for a bigger pullback, especially with that 5-wave shape to the upside, to make like an ABC of wave 2. So let's head down to the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, at least until we start getting some structure breaks. This right here does look to me like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And if this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of 5, then that means that if we go down, if we take out this structure, that may be the end of this trend on the higher time frames, the end of a wave 1 and the beginning of a pretty good sized correction, because a ABC correction of this whole uptrend on the daily would probably end up looking something along these lines for like an ABC of 2, and then eventually heading back up to make a wave 3, just like I was showing on the daily time frame. So I think this is going to happen pretty shortly, but I am definitely not going to be prepared to go short until I at least see some major break of structure, like this structure level right here, proving that this trend is over, and then probably proving that this wave 1 of wave C is complete. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.